Oh shoot. I just felt a little tick.
Probably a giant.
No. He's a good one.
We back anyway, that happened.
What's going on, you guys? I didn't do a intro earlier because it was dark, but I'm about to do it now. I'm out here in the creek with Katie. She's behind me over there tying up. But yeah, we're in here trying to figure them out. So we caught some earlier, but now it's just dead silence. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with. All right, I got the Victory rod out right there, paired up with my Daiwa Exceller with 5-pound braid. I think this is a 3000 series reel, and I got a 8-pound leader tied on fluoro, and I have an 1/8 ounce jig head with a slider, white, pearl white, and chartreuse. It's been working pretty good. This slider, I haven't used it in a while, and Nick loves them, so I figured I might as well get a pack. They're pretty durable too. There's 10 in a pack for like, I think $4, maybe $4.50, something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna stick around for a little bit longer. If nothing happens, I guess make a move to Silver Creek or something. But we were pounding them. So if you guys like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It will help me out a lot. Let's do it. All right, you guys, we are out at the creek. It's slow. To be honest with you, I didn't even think we was gonna catch any fish. I caught one hybrid and one carp. Carps are everywhere right now. No saugers. I was on that stick. I didn't even know. Nick's over there playing in the trees. To be honest with you guys, man, I really didn't think I was gonna catch anything today. As fast as the water's coming up, I really didn't think I was gonna catch anything. That's why I didn't record it. But everything's gonna be recorded from here on out. I think Nick caught 5. He caught 5 before I even showed up. I mean, he caught them before I even showed up. So you would think if they're moving in, they would go up this creek right here. I don't know if you guys can see Nick, he's over there. But yeah, if they're moving up, they would come straight in through here and move up that way. But I've been casting that way too. That's why Nick went over there to investigate, see if any fish is over there. Nothing yet. He just got over there though. Figured I might as well just stay here and save the spot if nothing happens over there. No sauger's been caught yet. I got a pink 1/8 ounce jig head on right now with a slider, a pearl and chartreuse slider. It's pretty awesome. I think it's not my first time using it, but I haven't used one in a while. In a long while. I've been stuck on them flies. Come on. There we go. Oh, it was a slight thick. This is a good one too. Feels good. Dang. On that second raise it up. It's a hybrid. It's got to be a hybrid. It's fighting way too hard. Yes, I'm glad I caught this one on video. Dang. For the river being this cold, it sure does fight hard. Oh, I knew it. Okay. Come in. It's about maybe a 3-4 pounder. Nonetheless, Pretty good fish. Let me pop this out and I'll show you guys. Good fish, nonetheless. Well, we got one on camera right here. Nice little one. They fight so good, so good. I love catching these guys, man. But we're gonna let her go. Kept her out long enough. Now we're gonna let her go. Man, there's no easy way. Sorry. One last look. Ooh, I can't stretch my arm long enough. Oh shoot. I just felt a little tick.
Probably a giant.
No, he's a good one. Oh shoot. Am I recording? My light on?
I don't see a light.
Now how am I gonna land you? Oh, come on, baby. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm so sorry to do that to you. Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
Right, 3, right?
Yeah.
Every bit of it. 2.5.
He hit it weird. First one of the day. Beautiful, too. Oh, I thought that was a boat. Well, first one of the day. That's a nice one right there. I hope I'm recording on the GoPro. Whew, let's get another one. Golly. Golly. A white? Nope, hybrid. Another beautiful one. What did he say? What size we can keep? We're not gonna keep no hybrids. White bass, yeah. I'll probably keep a couple. You know what? This is a good eating size, so we'll keep this one. Oh.
I'm not exaggerating. He talks.
Yeah, he's a big dude with a little voice. Oh. Oh.
And I was like, no.
We was talking about the catch and cook.
I have the cooking stuff. I also have the EpidemicSound stuff. I just don't have a stringer.
Well, there go the stringer right there. There we go, another nice little hybrid. This one going on a stringer. I gotta keep a couple of these. That was a light bite. Oh, where you going? Where you going? No wonder it's so light. Dang, he choked a whole 2.5 inch bait. Tell me you're hungry without telling me you're hungry. That little guy. Ah. Oh, another one? Another small one. Don't be, just keep casting. Let it, hold on. Let me get this little guy off. Little guy. Pretty little white bass. Just cast it out there, let it hit bottom. And sweep it up off the bottom, let it drop again. Do the same thing, repeat. These fish are going up towards Nick, past Nick. It's all right, we still got a few here. Yeah, the wind's blowing, you gotta be careful. Little guy. Here's another one. We can keep 12 of these. 2 at 17 and everything else gotta be lower. So we're gonna keep this one. You're in the tree. Oh.
Want something to bite it so I can use it.
Yeah.
I go from casting as far as I possibly can to trying not to.
Easy does it, easy does it. Get it close to the branch and wait till it sways away from you. And then slightly.
I'm trying to remember which one it's on. Is it on the higher one or the lower one?
That I can't tell you. Yep, it's right there. Slowly, slowly do it. You should have popped it real quick. Let some line out. Yeah. Oh, I'm trying to walk you through it and I got hit.
There we go.
Oh, that's a good one. This is a better one. See, this one was on the bank. It was right in front of me too. I'm trying to walk Katie through that and I get hit. We're gonna let the big boys go. Yeah, that one looks about a 17er. That's a good healthy one right there. That's a good one. Whoo. Let's let him go. Come on, you guys. Come on in. The water's warm. Why is all these debris? I swear, every time I'm fishing, the debris just stay right there. It's like they know. Like all that spot is all clear because we can't get over there.
You don't get out to the pond before next Monday. I'll go up there next Monday whenever I'm working from home and give you an update. I'm pretty sure it's fall. The fall, early winter's their pain.
They don't ever turn off. You just gotta find them. At that wall and that current from the dam is always good there in the summer. But like I said, I hate fishing summer. It's so hot. Sorry I had you guys off, but we caught another one. Oh golly. Come on, bud. Where you going? Where you going? He said away from you. Oh. I did not feel him hit at all. Beautiful specimen. I think he's keeper size. We're gonna measure him. We're gonna take a few of these guys home, and I'm debating on if I'm gonna do a catch and cook for you guys. He's at 16 exact. You said 2 over 17, right?